Yeah, man, guys, welcome back. It is what it is. I promise you that the drop more and more news. A lot of stuff will still be continuing on this channel. In it's under the Higher Table podcast run by Nema Media. After we moved our other channel podcast Street Talk to the other channel of the Street Talk. But yeah, man, I'm not here to talk about the podcast stuff in word. What I'm here to talk about, guys. I guess you have seen, man. You have seen Gusba Banana. What he has been doing, the impact. People have said he's not gonna make it long on the industry. He's just gonna disappear after 6 months. There was a lot of stories that people were saying, but what happened if you go back and you listen to Gusba's sound? Gusba kind of created his own sound, like his own sound. I'm talking about the melody of the track when he does whatever he does on this piano beat, whether it's a hip hop beat. He has his own flow, and in that flow, every time when I listen to it, it reminds me because I got a high by Afro Man. It was just completely different, and this one is also completely different. Nanga says that right now, if you check, you'll find that there's so many kids when I worry. They now sound like Gusba. They're running with that flow. They're running with that style. They're making sure that they capitalize on that. Results no ranga sezai like which if Gusbandi Baba, like hey Gusbandi Baba. Now we have so many Gusbas. How can I put it? That's Gusbana, man. We have a lot of Gusbanas. Yeah, that's Gusbanas Zwingi. Zine. They're just running with that sound, man. It's so nice to see how he have influenced the change of music. Venda. He had influenced the youth, he have influenced the kids, he have influenced so many people to rap like him or trying to improve better than him. I know you'll hear people saying, his lyrics, this and that, but they're playing Lil Wayne from day one. They're still playing and all that. They're playing but they would like to tell you, hey, Gusba minimi. Gusba came with the style and it worked for him. Somebody will improve from then. The same thing that happened in piano when he started. We know Riang or Semana Face, but with time and all that, it improved. And now you have different kinds of pianos, man. You listen to Zingwazi high school, Zingwazi primary, Zingwazi varsity, Zingwazi private, what. So, for those who have been complaining about his lyrics, like Akosema and Pew, he plays his wordplay does not want you to reason too much, man. Hey, chill, grand. Yeah, but focusing on Gusba, guys, he reminds me like Afro Man because I got a high and his flow have like birthed a lot of new Gusbanas, and you'll see if he continue and doesn't get distracted. Keep on improving, keep on giving us nice music, keeps on giving us like this joint, man. And then also working with this new generation that have built. I'm telling you, he will never be out of fashion because all these kids gonna be improving from what he has created, and he needs to run with it. Like the way he jumps on it and then goes with it. So I just want to say, guys, big up to Gusba Banana. He created a new sound. He created a new style. He created a new flow. He came up with his own style of doing things, man. And it's working for him. And then if you don't like it, it's your problem. Tina, we like it. Gusba. I'm waiting for the EP. I know he's about to drop the EP. Distribute, I think, and PR and stuff will be management will be done by Speaker. I'm sorry, I'm used to call you like that, but yeah, man, I'm like, yeah, man, it's gonna be pushed by the plug. The plug is gonna be dealing with everything. So yeah, man, like I said earlier on, big up to Gusba, and I'm hoping to see more and more music coming. I'm waiting to listen to a lot of music that is going to be dropped by Gusba and everyone that is being influenced by him. I can't just mention him alone. We know you got that boy on Randa. You have your Rude Kid. I came across a lot of kids, man, that are doing great. Mareba, big up for doing the great work and putting all these kids out there. Like I said, guys, I'm no longer doing any music business right now. You might find me talking about music, doing podcast, but when it comes to distribution, handling, like music business, like things that has to do with the business stuff, kind of taking my time off. I don't know if I'll ever return, but if you check, all the websites are also off now. I've shut down all the websites. Yeah, 5 of them, they're out. I don't have any apps. I just need time, guys. I guess a lot of things happened this year, but yeah, man, I'll come back stronger. Nda, ndiwafuna zone. Amara here. Gusba, big up.